Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate API keys for OpenRouter. At first, you need to visit OpenRouter.ai and then you need to create an account. After that, if you hover here, you'll see this keys option. Click here and then you'll come to this page, Organization API keys. Click on this Create API key button. You can name your API key something like multi-AI script or anything you like. Then you can also set credit limits for your API. If I write say 10 here, then it means I can only use $10 through this API. So if you want to be extra secure, then you can use this credit limit option as well. But I will not use it this time, and just click on this create button. And then you will immediately see your API key. You can copy from here and then it will be shown here as well. So multi-AI script, it's unlimited and currently $0 is used. Later you can delete it or create new APIs. Yeah, that's it. But make sure that you're not sharing your API anywhere in public. Otherwise, anyone can use credits from your account. So hope that helps and see you in the next video.